Hi everyone, today's Tuesday, March 1st. It's about 9 a.m. Last week I mentioned that we appeared to have put in a W-type bottom in the market as selling pressure eased as we closed out the month of February. Most of the doomsayers have calmed down now, and the market has begun to strengthen again. Interestingly, the market rebound commenced as the price of oil began to recover. There certainly appears to be a continued correlation between the market and the price of oil. In the meantime, Warren Buffett is out with his annual letter, and he manages to never disappoint. Berkshire Hathaway fourth quarter profit was up 32%. So I'd like to relay some sage wisdom from the letter. Buffett says, and I quote, "It's an election year and candidates can't stop speaking about our country's problems, which of course only they can solve. As a result of this negative drumbeat, many Americans now believe that their children will not live as well as they themselves do. That view is dead wrong. The babies being born in America today are the luckiest crop in history. American GDP per capita is now $56,000. As I mentioned last year, that in real terms is a staggering 6 times the amount in 1930, the year I was born. A leap far beyond the wildest dreams of my parents or their contemporaries. U.S. citizens are not intrinsically more intelligent today, nor do they work harder than did Americans in 1930. Rather, they work far more efficiently and thereby produce far more. This all-powerful trend is certain to continue. America's economic magic remains alive and well," unquote. He goes on further to say the following, and I quote again, "For 240 years, it's been a terrible mistake to bet against America, and now is no time to start. America's golden goose of commerce and innovation will continue to lay more and larger eggs. America's Social Security promises will be honored and perhaps made more generous. And yes, Americans' kids will live far better than their parents did," unquote. And so to those that believe the sky is falling, I would simply refer them to Chicken Little, the children's folktale. Don't believe everything that you hear. Now, let's quickly examine what is happening with all the recession talk. Noted economist Paul Samuelson is quoted as saying in 1966 that the market has predicted 9 of the last 5 recessions. CNBC took this one step further and determined that the market during the post-war era has actually predicted 13 of the last 7 recessions. So this is not a particularly good barometer for picking and predicting recessions. So let me sum it up. We appear to be in a range-bound market for the time being. We will break either to the upside above the upper bound of 18,000 on the Dow or to the downside through the lower bound of 15,500 on the Dow. No one can say with certainty which way it will go, but I will tell you that on a global scale, our economy still looks the best compared to other developed world economies. As always, should you ever have any questions regarding anything financial, please don't hesitate to call. We're here to help.